Welcome to our channel. If you received an Ally Bank expense card and need to activate it via the mobile app, follow these step-by-step instructions for quick and convenient activation. Step 1. Download the Ally mobile app from the Apple App Store if you have an iPhone or from Google Play Store if you have an Android device. Install the app on your smartphone. Step 2. Open the Ally mobile app and sign into your Ally Bank account using your username and password. If you haven't set up mobile access yet, you'll need to enroll using your account credentials. Step 3. From the app's home screen, navigate to your account section and locate your Ally Bank expense card. Tap on the card to view its details and available options. Step 4. Look for the Activate Card option in the card management menu. This may be displayed as a button or as part of a drop-down menu with other card services. Step 5. When prompted, enter the required verification information. This typically includes the last 4 digits of your new card or the entire card number, depending on the app's security requirements. Step 6. Confirm your identity by providing additional information if requested, such as your date of birth or a security code sent to your registered email or phone number. Step 7. Review any terms and conditions presented in the app related to your Ally Bank expense card usage. Accept these terms to proceed with the activation. Step 8. Wait for the confirmation message within the app indicating your card has been successfully activated. You may receive a push notification or email confirmation as well. Your Ally Bank expense card is now active and ready for use. Test it by making a small purchase or checking your available balance in the app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.